Hello, and welcome to the KMT Traders channel. Today, we're diving into how we predicted a massive Bitcoin reversal, securing an impressive 1,000 pips in just 2 days. This was a result of careful analysis and precise timing, which we shared step by step with our Discord community. If you've been following us, you know we rely on strategy and patience to get these results. In our Discord, I posted screenshots of our analysis before signaling short positions. We identified a key reversal point at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, which aligned perfectly with our expectations. We held our short positions all the way down and locked in significant profits. Along the way, we took 2 small losses while attempting to hedge for potential long positions, but our overall performance remained highly profitable. As we look ahead, we're closely monitoring the market for signs of a pullback and a potential reversal that could push prices higher. Timing will be crucial again, and we'll be using technical indicators and market structure to guide our decisions. If you want to stay ahead of these moves and access live trade setups, analysis, and updates, make sure to join our Discord group. The link is in the bio. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.